Hello, welcome to Equilateral class. Please, if you're new to this channel or new in this class, please subscribe and be part of this class. And for my subscribers and those who have been watching my videos, thank you very much for always coming along. Please, let's keep on drawing and keep the world moving. Without drawing, there will be nothing on this planet Earth. And today's lesson, we have a question here. We are to construct an equilateral triangle of side 100 millimeters, which is 10 centimeters. So this is what we are going to do now. So take your drawing board, your set squares, your T-square, and all your drawing instruments, and let's draw this equilateral triangle of side 100 millimeters. So we start by drawing one side of the equilateral triangle. That is 100 millimeters is 10 centimeters. So you draw your 10 centimeters line. So we have this line 10 centimeters. So we have this side to be A, and we have here to be B. Then now, after drawing line AB, which is one side of the triangle, at point A, you open your compass to point B. You open your compass to point B. Then you draw an arc. You draw an arc like this. Then at point B, with the same radius, to point A, then you draw another arc. So now the intersection here is point C. Then with your set square, you draw a line from A. You draw a line from A to C. Then another line from C to B, or B to C. So now we have our triangle. So side AB is equal to BC and AC. So this is how to construct an equilateral triangle of side 100 millimeters or 10 centimeters. You draw your line AB, which is 100 millimeters or 10 centimeters. Then with your compass at point A, you open your compass to B. Then you draw an arc with the same radius at point B. Then you draw another arc to get point C. Then at point C, you draw a line from A to C, then B to C. So side AB is equal to BC and AC. So this is how to construct an equilateral triangle. Thank you very much for coming along. Please share my videos with your mates, and let's keep on drawing to keep the world moving. Without drawing, there will be nothing on this planet Earth. Thank you very much for coming to this class. I will see you in my next lesson or my next video. Thank you. Bye bye. This is Equilateral class. Bye.